I'm just gonna do a quick video here describing my delamination. I got a 30-foot Grady wide. I want to give some perspective of where the issue is. But basically, all this in here, you can hear how hollow it sounds. And then it gets firmer. A little bit of a hollow sound there, but when you can literally feel and see the gel coat flexing, it goes all the way down. So I'm not sure how bad it is, but down here there's nothing until I get real close, and then it definitely got a little bit of a soft spot there. So fucking pissa. Anyway, I'm going to be looking for some advice on what's the remedy here, whether it's injection, because there's no access panel on the other side of this thing. It's kind of molded on the interior. So I don't know if it's a case of drilling holes and injecting it with epoxy and some filler, some fiberglass filler, but anyway, I'm at the boat yard here now, so we'll talk to them about it as well, I guess. All right, a little video here of the project. It's July, I think 18th, 2025. So major rework being done on the boat. The balsa core got saturated because of the through hulls seeping water through. The caulking around them had basically disintegrated and worn out over time. So basically a complete ripping out of the original balsa core and rebuilding of the side of the boat. This is the port side, obviously, and going to be doing these through hulls are going to be solid glass, so cutting out a section where it's already been done, but underneath this is a solid piece of fiberglass, so when the new through hulls get drilled in, they're going to be through solid fiberglass instead of having a balsa core interior where the fitting goes through. So similar for all of the fittings. And similarly on the starboard side, not as significant of damage, but lengthwise about the same. Again, bad through hulls. And so the whole boat is going to get re-gel coated. So this is kind of open heart surgery. And yeah, so it's a big job. So I guess in the next couple of days, come back, sand this thing down, kind of clean up the lines, prepare it for the gel coat preparation. So also I guess one other thing to note, it wasn't just the through hulls that were the problem. So this whole area up on the top sections, they were wet as well, which is an indication that the rub rail was leaking. So all of these screw holes that the rub rail attaches with, basically the water just runs down the rail and then soaks into these holes that didn't have any protective, sealant on them. So that's all going to be taken care of as well. So I'm going to remove all of the kind of marginal level of silicone and clean it all up and prep for the new stuff to go on. So probably another week or so away from being done. Huge job. Very big job. Every through hull fitting removed, and replacing the caulking on them. And here. So yeah, the whole thing is getting a facelift. There's the boat. 1999 Grady White Bimini 306. So that's it. When it's done, it'll be very sturdy, very dry, and I think it's really going to give it some significant life here because it's been a good boat so far. Just a quick video here. Verrill and Edward sprayed the boat yesterday with gel coat. Looks unbelievable. I'm gonna walk around the whole boat. It looks so good. Looks so good. I appreciate wrapping that gel coat all the way around, by the way. Looks great. Whole boat looks really, really nice. Very thoughtful work. Quick video as I walk around this. Almost done. One more day. Such an awesome job. Looks like it came right out of a mold. What a piece of art. Thanks, Veril. I appreciate it. I'm with Veril Stedford here, and he just got done doing my Grady White Bimini 306, 1999. I had major water damage on the port side and the starboard side. He tore the sides off to the midpoint of the boat on both sides, rebuilt it all. It looks freaking factory new. It is an unbelievable job. I am his first customer since he's gone out on his own, and he's worked with his original manager, teacher, mentor, Edward. And this is, I'm telling you folks, this is a fantastic job and an absolute treasure of a craftsman. I could not be happier with this job. This is such great work. Thank you very much. All righty, this is finished product. It's been almost a month of work and it looks freaking awesome. I could not be happier. Could not be happier. Just doing a little bit of final buffing now. And yeah, looks fabulous. Really nice. Yeah, these Grady White logos, they really stand out. They look great. And it's going in the water. Here it is, August 7th, 2025. And it's ready for the water and going in on Monday. So good. Such a great job, such a great quality job.